What's going on, SHIB fam? Welcome back to the channel. And long weekend. This is definitely one that people enjoy, of course. Monday here today, a lot of people off work. Enjoy the time spent with family and friends if you're off work here in the United States. And no matter what, hopefully you're enjoying this content, guys, throughout this bear market. We have been here every single day, every step of the way. Doesn't matter. We're here every day because we know the future of cryptocurrency. We know the long-term outlook. We know what it takes to get through these bear markets, and keeping up with the news as we kind of roll along throughout these bear markets is important because we always have a pulse on what's going on. So, you know, I would be looking at all these articles regardless, and I'm so glad I decided to start, making videos about me doing my research, basically, about videos of me keeping up with the news so, I can help keep you guys informed as well. So this is what we got in this one. Trillions of SHIB tokens vanish from major exchange. What's happening? So we're going to come back to this. This is the big question. I do want to kind of just highlight and hit on some overall SHIB news pieces as well. And, of course, real quick, XT Algo, you guys know this. As Shiba Inu consolidates in price right now, I'm waiting for that next big momentum up indicator to hit, and when it does, it'll flash the signal on the daily time frame. That's where I'll be looking to make a play on Shiba Inu here for a trading play. So if you want to know when that next signal flashes and be there when it happens, check out XT Algo, guys. And this thing goes for crypto stocks. You can use this thing for Forex trading. Right now, running an unbelievable special, discount code in the description. Check it out. Links down below. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, Shibarium, where are we at? Okay, wallet addresses 1.1 million plus. Total transactions should hit over 1 million today. Great milestone there. And the Shibarium Explorer has showed us that daily transactions, like we expected, have continued to tick up. That is great to see. And you can see that highlighted right here just the last couple days from August 31st to about now, September 4th. Look at this, 73,000. Then we went up to 84,000. And then on the 2nd had 99,000. Still haven't got data in from yesterday, but it's looking really, really promising, guys. We should be blowing past 1 million transactions here today on Shibarium. So, SHIB, just wanted to give you an update on where we're at from a price standpoint. And you guys know that the 1 cent dream is certainly something to watch, but I always watch the 0.001 because that's really my goal with SHIB is the 201 level in order for me to take profits on my long-term SHIB. We are still 129x away from there. About a $589 billion market cap is what we'd have to be at. Keep in mind we were at a $50 billion market cap in 2021. It's about a 5x, it's about a 10x from previous all-time highs. Going back to the chart real quick before we jump back into what's going on with these trillions of SHIB tokens vanishing from the major exchange. A lot of consolidation, guys, and downward action. If we go into the 1 hour here, we can see here we have been sliding since this momentum indicator flashed back on August 30th. Okay, we had that momentum indicator down flash. By the way, XT Algo has a couple different modes. Right now, I just have momentum mode on, but you can come over here to settings. It's pretty sweet. You can come over here and put retracement mode on as well, or have both modes. This will give you some more indicators, possible retracement ups. As you can see, it flashed there behind the screen. And also, you can change this sensitivity as well, and you could start to mess around with the sensitivity of momentum sensitivity, momentum agility, and kind of see how that gives you some different types of signals. A lot of things you can do with our XT Algo. I go over that after purchase when you come to the thank you page. Looks like this. Go in there step by step. But what's going on with SHIB in terms of these tokens vanishing from a crypto exchange? Let's talk about it, because in a development that has garnered a lot of attention here, Whale Tracker has alerted us of something. A substantial 4.62 trillion SHIB, equivalent to about 35 million, was recently moved. Now, the transfer occurred from Bitvavo to an unknown wallet. However, an examination of Explorer data reveals that this is actually a newly created address associated with the exchange itself. So, let's talk more about what this means. It is worth mentioning that while Bitvavo occasionally uses unknown wallets, the exchange's confirmed wallets currently hold a relatively modest 250 million SHIB tokens valued at around 1.93 million, as reported by Arkham Intelligence. So what adds intrigue to this situation is that these trillions of SHIB, by the way, I think this was trillion, not 250 million SHIB tokens, but what adds the intrigue of the situation is that these trillions of SHIB seem to remain in these newly created addresses with no apparent signs of being sent from anywhere. This behavior has led to speculation within the community, some suggesting these moves are related to storage and distribution rather than imminent sell-offs. And I would agree here, because they're not being moved to an exchange to from an existing account. As the community awaits further details, the central question remains, what is the significance of these trillions of SHIB disappearing from the exchange, and how might this impact the future of SHIB? Stay tuned for updates. I do believe it is kind of a thing that you do when you want just more security. You tend to move millions of dollars around a little bit so they're not all sitting in one place. So, again, I think this is the important point right here. An examination of Explorer data reveals this is actually a newly created address associated with the exchange itself. It's worth mentioning that while Bitvavo occasionally uses unknown wallets, the exchange's confirmed wallets currently hold a relatively modest 250 million SHIB tokens. So the key is here, the Explorer data revealed that it was a newly created address. I don't think this is any reason to really worry. One other note here I wanted to highlight. Wolf to debank DeFi for Shibarium support, Lucy says. This is pretty cool. Debank DeFi, basically covering Shibarium now. They are the Web3 portfolio tracker, a top Web3 portfolio tracker. Actually never heard of them before now, and then I started looking at them and looking at the website a little bit, just gave them a follow. Pretty cool concept here, and covers all your tokens, DeFi protocols, NFTs across all EVM chains. So that's cool. More support over there for Shibarium in that regard. So appreciate you guys. As always, prices continue to pretty much trade sideways. Boring times right now in crypto. We're waiting for the next shakeout or breakout. We'll be here for when it happens, and we'll be ready to trade as well. We should get some volatility as we head into the new week as well. We'll be looking to make some plays. If you want to know what's going on, hop on board. XT Algo, link down below in the description, guys. There's no reason why you shouldn't try it today. Full refund after 30 days. It's like a little bit over $1 a day to try it for a month. Again, if you don't like it, no problem. Full refund after the 30. But I think you're going to love it. Getting some great feedback. People trading this thing. People using this thing to trade like crazy right now. Especially Apple stock recently has been really flashing some nice signals on XT. So appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to smash that like button for us. Subscribe down below. Love you guys. Peace.